For more information, see the description below. Namaste. Padartastu.
You want to read this Heturva?
You tell me if we should read or not.
You read. Little more expansion, you will get idea about it.
Yad Yadanya prasta voktama
Anyatreva uktam Anyasyeva uktam
Yad
Yat Anya Prastavoktam
prastavoktam
Anyatrapi Tataiva Upapadyate.
Where is who? Tataiva. Okay. Okay. I saw. Upapadyate.
Yes.
Okay.
See, yad anyatra prastavoktam. Anyatra means in other place. Okay? Prastavoktam, prastavena uktam. That means in that context as it is being told. Okay? Anyatra, in other place, if you can apply the same. Suppose, listen me. If these conditions are there, this medicine can be given. If these conditions are there, medicine can be given for this patient. So which are the main points here? This patient is very important.
Okay.
These conditions are very important. This medicine is very important. Right? So I told that because of this and this reasons, I have given this medicine for this patient because of he suffer from this particular disease.
Okay.
The same idea can be applied for another patient also if what comes? The same conditions, the same property are there in the patient. So same can be followed over there. But if any one is missing, you cannot use it in another patient. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
So that is very important that you must know Hetu. You should know what are the conditions for that Hetu to do this. Otherwise you are not supposed to.
Okay.
That idea also you will get in from this. That is Anyatra Prastavoktam. Prastavoktam means Prastava means context. Ukta means told. Okay. So in one context I told a principle. The same principle can be used in another place. Okay. But when I say this, I told along with the cause.
Yes.
When the same cause comes, another place I can apply it. It comes under Hetu.
Okay.
Clear? You know why I told this because the example is very good. You read the example.
Here, right? Ashtanga Hridaya Sharira Adhyayam
20.
320. So this is this is going to be Rituchari.
No. Sharirasthana. How?
Sharirasthana. You're right. Sorry. I still do not know the names of it. I'm going there. I'm getting there. Tatrau. Okay. Tatraikeikam. Cha. Shakayam. Shatam. Tasminna Vedhaye.
You know what is the meaning of Vedhaye? Vedhanam, Shiravedhanam, cutting.
Yes.
Okay. So if there are so many siras, na Vedhaye.
Veda is actually making...
Yes. That is da.
Yes.
Not da. Da means knowledge.
There is a lot of Veda when there is piercing.
Yeah, yes. Vidha. Okay. So if there are so many siras, you are not supposed to do
Veda.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Siram Jalantaram Nama.
Siram Jalam
Jalandharam Nama.
Nama
Tisraha.
Tisra. Okay, you're splitting the cha, right?
Yes, yes.
Tisraha
Cha
cha.
Abhyantarashrita.
Okay, Abhyantaras Srasritaha.
There is a name of the Sira group. It is called Jalandhara.
Okay.
Okay. Jalandhara means how the lotus stems getting twisted inside the water.
Okay.
In the same way, the Sira will be getting twisted. Such a place is called, such a group of Siras are called Jalandhara.
Okay.
In that place, you are not supposed to do the Sira
Okay.
Vyatha.
Dvida.
Understood?
Yes.
So he told, now next one you read, Tatha,
Here.
Hridaya, 3:34.
What is this? Ityam.
Ityadi, etc. It's a big sloga, only one line quoted, that's why
Okay.
Ityadi. Avedhyaha.
So this is chapter 3, 3, 4.
334.
Okay. Avegya.
Avedhyaha.
Avedhyaha.
Sankirnam.
Okay. Sankirnam.
Prathitaha.
This is pra.
Grathita.
Okay.
Grathitaha.
Grathitaha.
Kshudraha. Kshudra.
Where is you here?
Kshudraha.
Shudraha. Okay.
That is another name of the Siras. They are Sankirna. Sankirna means twisted.
Okay.
Sankirnam. Okay. So that there also, which is there, Avedhyaha applied. Same principle applied.
Okay.
So first he told Jalandhara it cannot be.
Okay.
But he told that it is because
It's very.
they are too much together mixed. So same type of Shudra, there also you should not do the Vedana Karma because it is also twisted. So this principle is applicable here also. Clear?
Yes. So where were you?
Tad etebhya
Tad
etebhya
etebhya
ha
bhyaha.
vishesha vachana.
Just a second. Why it changed to O? There is no A here.
Visarga. O will be changed into Visarga.
Yeah, but
Hashicha.
okay. Vishesha
Vachana vajanebhyo vajanebhyaha
bhyaha
miyate
anumiyate
shesha
okay shesha
vedhya iti. Tell me the meaning of that one. In two contexts, in Shudra and Jalandhara, you should not do Vedana Karma because they are twisted together. Right?
They are special condition.
Yeah, see, they are twisted in nature.
Okay.
So from this statement, what will you understand? Remaining all places where the Siras are not in twisted condition, which can be done?
Veda.
That's the thing. See? Shesha Vedhya iti. The remaining can be done this Vedana Karma. That can be understood.
So this cannot be done here because they are Vishesha. They are special condition between the Siras.
Yes. So special condition is the Hetu for
not
contraindicating Vedana Karma. Clear? So when it is told, we know that if these conditions are not available, if the Hetu is not there, on those places we can apply this principle. Clear?
Anyataitani vachamsi nirartakani
Suhu iti. Suhu plus iti. Suriti.
Okay. Suriti. Okay. Suriti. Okay.
I think you understood now. See, in this context, he is telling that these two places,
okay,
Jalandhara and Shudra, combination of the siras, you are not supposed to do the Vedya, Vedana Karma because they are twisted together. So he gave the cause for not eligible for Vedana. From this, you can understand that this theory is applied anywhere where there is twisted siras, there should not be Vedana Karma. In addition to that one, you can understand what also?
That in the condition where there is no twisted siras, you can
That
do
is the advantage of understanding the science with the support of Hetvartha Tantrayukti. Clear? You will get more idea.
clear.
So Hetvartha over, next one, Padartha. After finishing that, we'll do whatever you want.
Padartha.